Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum friends and subscribers. This is Mahmoud Sheikh, and in this video I'm gonna discuss on a topic called how to move your Codeigniter project from your local server to live server. Okay, so we'll be creating Codeigniter projects, and when it comes to upload our Codeigniter project from local server to live server, we used to get a little bit of or a lot of troubles while moving our Codeigniter project from local server to live server. So in this video I'll be showing you step by step how you can move your Codeigniter project from local server to live server. Okay, here you can see I have an application, and this application this application is all about a blogging system. Okay, I have made a separate two video series on how to create a blogging system using PHP Codeigniter. Okay, I have already uploaded this series on my channel. You can if anyone wants, you can view that blogging system tutorial. Yeah, so I'll be uploading this blogging system tutorial to my live server. So let me just tell just give you a glance of this of this project. Okay, now I'm logging into the system as an admin. I click on sign in. Okay, now you can see now I'm in my dashboard, where you can see that I have some list of options like add blog post, view, edit and delete. I can add a I can click on add blog post, and then I can add a new blog with this, and then I can view a blog by clicking on view option. I can edit the blog, and also I can delete the blog. So these all these functionalities I have explained in very much detail while I was doing a video tutorial series on how to create a blogging system, CRUD application, and registration form, all the in a single application, which is and to which I have given a name as how to create a blogging system, or how to create a CRUD application, register application, blogging system. Okay, so I have already uploaded it on my channel. You can watch it if you want. Okay, so this project I'll be uploading on my server. So I will just click on log out now. Okay, here first you need to um, so if you want to upload any Codeigniter project to your live server, first you need to have your server, or you need to have a domain. I have my domain here. You can see I am logged into my cPanel. So first you need to log into your cPanel. Here I have written down right now the steps of uploading your project from local server to live server. First you need to log into your cPanel. Okay, here I am logged into my cPanel. Inside cPanel you need to go to your MySQL databases. Click on MySQL databases. Now once you are in your database section, you need to create a database. Here it will ask you to create a new database. So you need to create a database with a name called as blocks, or whichever name you want. I'm giving it a name as blocks. Also now create a database. Now I will click on create database. Okay, now you can see here it's showing me a message saying that added the database. Okay, now again you need to go to databases, and now you need to create a user for that database. Okay, see, now we have created a database, and now third we need to create a we need to set a user for the database. For that you need to again go to your MySQL database. Okay, click on MySQL databases. Now uh, now you can see here it has listed on the name of the database which we have created just now. You can see blocks. Okay, for this we need to create a user. Here it's asking you to add a user for your database. So now I'll be typing in the user for my database. Okay, and now I need to set the password for it. Okay, I've written down the database name, user and password here. So I'll just copy this and paste it here. Okay, now password again. Okay, since my username and password are same, so I will paste it here. Okay, now you need to create a user. Okay, now you can see a message saying that you have successfully created a user for our database. Okay, now the next step is assigning privileges to our database. Okay, now we have created a database, and now we have set a user for the database. And in this step, and then the next step, we need to assign the privileges for our users. So again, you need to click on databases. Okay, now again click on MySQL databases. Yeah, click on MySQL databases. And now in this step, you need to assign privileges to your database user. Okay, now I'm in my MySQL database section, and scroll down at the end, where you can see an option of add user to your database. Okay, here we have mentioned the name of your database and the user which we have created. So now you need to click on add. Okay, the moment when we click add, the user which we have created, which is this, gets added to our database. Okay, now we need to set the privileges for our database. So I will be selecting all the privileges. I will give all the privileges to that user to get access to the database. Now I will be clicking on make changes. Okay, now we are completely done with our databases. We have created a database, we have set a user for our database, and then we have assigned all the privileges to our database. That means we have done. Again, click on database now. Okay, and okay, now again click on MySQL databases. Okay, now come at the end. Here you can see our database name is listed down, and here you can see current users. Okay, we have created a database, and for the database we had added the user. That user is displaying here on the table. Okay, now we are done with all the settings of our database. Now we need to export our local database. We need to export the database from our local server. Okay, so we need to go to our phpMyAdmin. Here I am on my local servers phpMyAdmin. So I have to export the database from here, which I'll be uploading into my live servers phpMyAdmin. Okay, so the database which I'll be exporting here is blog. So click on blog. Okay, now the blog database is selected. Click on export. We need to export this database. Okay, now we need to click on go. When the moment when you click go, the database will get downloaded. I have already downloaded this database, and I have kept it on my desktop here. And now here you need to, once you exported your database from your local phpMyAdmin, then you need to right click on that database and then click edit with Notepad++. You need to change your local server's paths with your live server path. Here in my database, my okay, now I will change it to my live server, www dot. Okay, I will copy the same for my next link. Okay, now save it and close it. Again, now we need to go to our live servers phpMyAdmin. So for that you need to click on files. Okay, here you need to click on phpMyAdmin. This is my LiveServer's phpMyAdmin. Here we need to import the database which we have exported from our local servers database, local servers phpMyAdmin. Okay, so here once we are inside our LiveServer's phpMyAdmin, here you can see the database is displaying or mentioned which we have created just few minutes back. So I'll just select the database, and now I will click on import, and I will select the file. Once you click on choose file, it will ask you to select the folder, select the database. Okay, I will click on this choose file, and I will select uh, my database, which is block.sql. Click on open, and then I will click on go. Now it will import all the files that are present inside the database block, and it has shown us the messages import has successfully finished, 21 queries excluded, okay, executed. And now we need to uh, zip, or we need to compress our project folder. Okay. Now we need to go to our XAMPP. Inside our XAMPP, okay, we need to go to inside our C drive. Inside C, go to XAMPP. Inside XAMPP, htdocs, and then we have a folder with a name called as tutorial. This is our project, and to this these many files we need to compress using select all the files, and then right click on those files, and then go to, okay, then go to WinZip, and then click on add to tutorial.zip. Okay, once you click on this, your entire package will get zipped out. It will compress and will convert it into folder like this tutorial zip file. Okay, I have already compressed this all these files, and I have kept it on my desktop. Okay, so this folder I will be uploading to my server. So let's go to our cPanel, and inside cPanel click on file manager. Okay, now you can see our project is completely uploaded, 100% is completed. So now we need to close this, and we need to reload, and we need to select this, and then click on extract, and then extract file, click on extract file, and now it will listed down all the files that are present in that folder. And now click on close, and yeah, this is the zip file folder. Now right click on this, and then click on delete, confirm. Okay, now we need to set our database configuration settings, where for that we need to go to inside application folder. Inside application, click on open config folder. Inside config folder you will get a file with a name called database, and I'll just right click on that, and then click on edit, and click on edit. And here you need to change your database settings or database configuration settings. Okay, now, okay, here I have a database with a name, this one, and I'll just paste it here. Okay, and this one is user, okay, and this one password. Then I will save it. I will just close this. And one more thing, we need to change our base URL. So right click on config, and then right click, and then click on edit, Okay, once again click on edit, and here you'll see you need to enter your domain name. Okay, starts with http // and the name of your domain, www dot your domain name. Okay, now we are done with all the settings. So just save it, close it, and now just try to access your domain. Okay, your live domain now. Okay, okay, click on this, type in your live domain name and then enter. Click on it, enter. Okay, now it's showing me unable to select the specified database. Okay, okay, I think I have made some errors, so I'll go to my project folder, and then here I'll just select my database and then click on edit, then click on edit again. Here, okay, it's fine. Okay, let me just check my database name. I'll go to database, MySQL database, then here, okay, logs, come here, change it, blocks. Okay, now save it and try to access your domain now. Now you will see my Codeigniter project has successfully uploaded to my live server. Now I will just try to access my website or my um, portal by entering my credential. Okay, now I will try to log into my blogging system using credentials. Using these credentials, click on sign in. You can see my project has been uploaded successfully. Click on log out. Okay, and now you can see there is a different message which was not previously when I had started this tutorial. So I will just edit this information in my live server so that you will know how to edit your information in your live server also. Just go to your files inside file manager, so open your project and then click on upon level, and to go to views. Inside views, open this welcome message, click on edit, and now scroll down. Okay, delete this. Okay, here how to move Codeigniter project from local server to live server. Okay, save it and try to access your project. Okay, now you can see the title is been changed. Yeah, I hope you understood how to move your Codeigniter project from local server to live server. Okay, you just need to follow these steps. Yeah. need to follow these steps which I have mentioned here. First you need to log into your cPanel, and then you have to create a database, and then you need to set a user for your database, and then you need to assign the privileges to your user. Okay, and then you need to export the database file from your local servers phpMyAdmin, and then you need to change the paths inside your downloaded database file.sql from your local server phpMyAdmin. Once you change the paths, you need to import that SQL file inside your LiveServer's phpMyAdmin, and then you need to upload your project on your file manager, and then you need to change the database credentials or configurations inside your database.php file. Okay, so once you do all these steps, you will be successfully uploading your Codeigniter project from your local to LiveServer. Okay, so I hope you like this video. I hope you got some useful information out of this video. If you like this video, subscribe to our channel, click on the like button, share it with your friends, and that's all guys. I'll see you guys in my next video. Thanks for watching.